Welcome to another lesson in our Transformational Leadership series. In this session, we'll explore the ethical side of leadership. It is the foundation that gives real meaning to influence and success. Transformational leaders inspire others to grow and achieve more. But their power also comes with deep responsibility. How you lead matters just as much as what you accomplish. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify the ethical responsibilities of transformational leaders. You will be able to use simple frameworks for decision-making and apply moral leadership principles. Let's talk about the ethical responsibilities of a transformational leader. Transformational leaders set the moral tone for their teams. Your words and actions communicate what is acceptable and what is not. Ethical leadership begins with self-awareness. Ask yourself, am I acting out of integrity? Are my choices fair, honest, and respectful? Remember, people don't just follow your instructions, they follow your example. True leadership means doing what's right, even when it's difficult or unpopular. When you lead with consistency and honesty, you earn trust, and trust is the foundation of transformation. Now, let's have a framework for ethical decision-making. Every leader faces moments when the right choice isn't easy. In those moments, follow 3 simple steps: reflect, evaluate, and act. Reflect. Pause and consider what values are at stake. Who will be affected and how? Evaluate. Weigh your options. Ask, is this fair? Is it transparent? Would I stand by this if it were made public? Once you decide, communicate your reasoning openly. Transparency builds credibility and shows that your decisions are rooted in principle, not convenience. You don't have to make decisions alone. Seek input, listen to others, and value diverse perspectives. They strengthen your ethical judgment. Now, let's apply moral leadership in real situations. Ethical leadership is tested when pressure is high, during conflict, deadlines, or difficult trade-offs. For example, if an error occurs on your team, it's tempting to hide it. But a transformational leader chooses honesty and accountability. They address the issue directly and turn it into a learning opportunity. Ethics also means fairness. Treat everyone equally, reward merit honestly, and make sure recognition is earned, not favored. And above all, lead with empathy. Understand the human impact of your choices. Decisions guided by compassion are almost always the right ones. Let's discuss building an ethical culture. As a leader, your behavior sets the standard for others. Talk openly about values. Encourage your team to raise concerns. Celebrate integrity, not just achievement. When ethics are part of daily behavior, trust and commitment grow naturally. Transformational leaders balance vision with virtue, inspiring progress while upholding integrity. To conclude, the ethical dimension of transformational leadership isn't just about following rules, it's about leading with character. Ethical leadership gives transformational leadership its strength. It turns power into purpose and influence into trust. You build trust that endures beyond any single success. So lead with integrity. Act with courage. Inspire others not just through success, but through the example of your character. That's the true heart of transformational leadership. In the next lesson, we will discuss about balancing short-term results with long-term vision. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.